Let me explain about my sannyas. I had my sannyas in the bank of Ganges, Ganga, in Calcutta. The man who gave sannyas is not enlightened, but man of high tapas, very elderly person. Maybe I think when I met him, he was 93. He passed away. He passed away in 6 months. I think I'm the last person who received sannyas from him. Maybe one or two more. Elderly man who is continuously used to do tapas, the meditation. According to sannyas ritual, we take bath in the Ganga. First we do the fire homa, burning everything. And then just we take bath in Ganga and come without any clothes, just as we are born. Then when we come and fall at the feet of the master, he just gives this rope, this cloth. He puts one rope around our hip and blesses us with a new name. The new name. To signify the past is dead. You are no more a old person. They get the new name. They are given a new name. See, the new identity, the new name does miracles. Because you totally disconnect yourself from the past. Continuously remembering that new name has got a great effect. Has got a great feeling. It just totally makes you feel you are newborn. You are somebody who is new. You are totally somebody who is really fresh and alive. So now let me explain the mantras. You will all burn. You are going to do that. Actually, you are going to burn all your past, all your desires, all your worries, all your guilt, all your pain, all your so-called joys. Every layers will just burn. Consciously, totally put it in the fire. You will see you are cut. The whole past is cut. You totally disconnect yourself from the past. Really. This is the way to come out of the cosmic layer. All the nirvanic layer. All the 7 layers. Finally, the final touch. The Master's grace or the Master's blessings. I think we will enter into the meditation. When you finish the meditation, then we'll see about the next step. I'm going to read few mantras, then I'll explain, then I'll give you the instruction. These are the sacred mantras. It's called Viraja Homa, means the burning the aggressiveness, burning the past. Raja means dust, dirt.
How do you spell that one?
Biraja. Viraja vivapma bhuya sakkum swaha pranavanam vyanodana samaname sujjantam jyotiraham viraja vivapma bhuya sakkum swaha vangmanasakshutvat jikva srotragrana Reto Bahuda Budi Sudyantam Viraja Vibhapma Bhuya Sadgum Swaha Tvakcharma Magunsa Rutirameto Majjas Snayabhustodi Sudyantam Jyotiraham Viraja Vibhapma Bhuya Sadgum स्वाहा शिरपाणि पार्श्व पृथ्वाजन्त श्रद्धोपचारस् पायवो मे सुध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभप्मा भूयासग्गुं स्वाहा उत्तिष्ठ पुरुषारिद पिङ्गललोहिताक्ष देहि देहिदाभयं मे स्वाहा सुध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभप्मा भूयासग्गुं स्वाहा पृथिव्यावस्तेजो वायुराकाशा मे शुद्ध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभप्मा भूयासग्गुं स्वाहा शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धा मे शुद्ध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभप्मा भूयासग्गुं स्वाहा मनोवाक्काय कर्माणि मे शुद्ध्यन्ताम् ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभप्मा भूयासग्गुं स्वाहा. It means there are so many things included in this. Let me give you what actually you wanted. Because in this they say that let us purify the whole world, let us purify the whole universe. Of course, when you are purified, the whole world is purified. Understand, you are going to disconnect yourself from the past. Consciously, totally, don't think how imagination can work for me. Imagination can do miracles. Sit for a few minutes and imagine all your wounds, all your suffering, all your guilt, all your pain, all your tears, all your joy, whatever you had, all your desires, all your karmas, in the color of black, bring it to the papers which you have in your hands. If you want, now you can sit and read the whole thing once, so that it will be easy for you to remember. One by one, when you relive with you, just relive the pain, relive the desire, relive the guilt, relive the past. From first line to last line, read by yourself. Read it for you. Relive the whole past, the gist of your whole life. Just as you undergo before your death, undergo totally from desire, guilt, pain and pleasure. One by one, from first step to last step. First, undergo all the desires, then undergo all the guilt, then undergo all the pain, then undergo all the pleasures. Relive every moment vividly, as deeply as possible. Only when you leave the karmas, it can leave you. Otherwise it will be just a hangover in you. When you really live it, reliving is relieving. So, take your own time, put all your emotion and imagination, relive the whole thing step by step, one by one, very slowly as possible, as deeply as possible. No urgency. Take your own time and live it. Only then you can really live it. Live totally all the desires, all the guilt, bring back and live with full emotion. Relive the whole scene and do it. And live the moments of pain, live the moments of pleasure, undergo deeply. have the notebook in your hand. And whatever you have lived, feel the whole negativity or the karma is collected in the notebook. Once you have lived, feel it is already in the notebook. So, when you finish the meditation, the whole past should be in the notebook. Start. My blessings.